Make sure to ground the panel before applying power to any device. Proper grounding protects against electrostatic discharge that can damage system components. The earth ground can be connected to terminal 4 by using 14-gauge wire or larger. This can be applied to a cold water pipe or ground rod. Alternate current power is ran to the XR here on terminals 1 and 2. Because the XR uses alternate current power, there is no positive or negative terminal listed. In this instance, terminal 1 will be positive and terminal 2 will be negative. Make sure to use no more than 70 feet of 16-gauge or 40 feet of 18-gauge wire between the transformer and the panel. For the transformer, use model 327 plug-in or models 322, 323, or 324. The transformer must be connected to an unswitched 120-volt alternate current 60 Hz electrical outlet with at least 0.87 amps of available current. It's important to not share the transformer output with any other equipment. That's how to ground and wire AC to an XR series panel.